Hey you guys, it's Molly. I have a 12-inch by 12-inch canvas. I have layered with Paynes gray, and I'm gonna do a dark negative space Dutch pour. Let me just pop the air bubbles in this. So always when I do a dark negative space canvas, I paint the edges first, especially if I'm working with thin paint, so that when it drips over, it doesn't show, the canvas doesn't show through. So I think what I'm gonna do, since I've got the dark negative space here, is I'm gonna start with the white. And my white's kind of thin, unfortunately. And I've got some gold that I mixed with some cadmium yellow. So if you ever want to kind of brighten your gold, you can add a little bit of yellow to it. I'm gonna do cerulean blue right there. And then, there we go, a little bit of, oops, phthalo green. And then on top, I'm gonna come back in with more white. So I'll pour a little bit, not too much, but a little bit of the blue around. I feel like maybe I want a little bit more white. I don't know, right there. And maybe a little bit more phthalo green right there. Okay, so let me get my blow dryer. We'll see how this comes out. Got some beautiful cells forming right there. Okay, gosh, those cells right there are just gorgeous. I'm gonna blow it with my mouth just a little bit. Oh man, I love this. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Whatever you don't like on the sides or the edges, you can always just blow it and create either more negative space or whatever you want. Wow, the cells that popped up through here. Very, very pretty. Yes, I like this one a lot. Let me just come right back over here. Y'all, I have tracked, I'm telling you, I'm like a hot mess. I have tracked black paint everywhere, like everywhere. Okay, let me take you down and show you. Oh, I'm such a mess, you guys. Okay. Those gold cells really spread out. And the gold shimmer on this, I'm using Americana decoart, just regular metallic gold paint, but wow. I'm glad I put that base layer of white down first too, because that really kind of gave the contrast to go through there. All right, so there she is. Let me know if you guys like it. I really like actually the phthalo green mixed with the gold. Gave a really pretty color. But yeah, I really, really like this. That gold is really, really pretty. All right, guys, there you go. Little dark blue negative space Dutch pour. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Happy painting. Bye.